Hello YouTube. Make sure I'm recording. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going over a review of aweber. I had aweber for about, let's see, 7 months. Yeah, 7 months. I switched over from Lane, and now I'm on aweber, and this is my review for the last 7 months, and just a real quick real quick comparison. I enjoy, aweber more than Lane. I like Lane because I use their landing page builder, but aweber was a little bit cheaper. It's cheaper when you build your list, and it has more options for me, and this is a better service than Lane. I love it. I can't see myself switching to another email service. And if you sign up, and please sign up at the bottom of this video. You might sign up under my link. I really appreciate it. But this is an overview of of aweber. When you sign with aweber, which I believe is the best, all top online marketers, businesses have aweber. They use aweber, and once you sign up for aweber, these are the things you will get: messages, and one of the best things about this is the blog forecast. So if you have a website or a blog, aweber will sync to your blog, and when you do a blog post, it automatically take your blog post, put it in an email, and sync to your list automatically. That's very, very powerful. That's very, very good, because if you don't have a chance to write emails and you want to keep your list engaged, giving emails on a regular basis, a blog forecast is another way of doing it. So you send an email every day, and you're sending them a blog post every other day as well. You keep your audience totally engaged to you because you constantly send them emails. That's a good thing to have. You can set up a autoresponder. You can set up like a 10 or 20 day email as much as you want to. And so far, I like it so far. These are my scheduled broadcasts. Broadcast is a one-time email. These are the emails I have going out so far, and these are the emails, not good conversions because I just started back using my list. I've been really busy, but these are the emails I have recently sent, and you can see open, click, bounce, and complaints. You want no complaints, you want no bounce, but you want lots of clicks and lots of opens. You create a new list if you want to. So many options, so many ways to have these lists. History of subscribers, you can add, import from history. So you sign up forms for your blogs. Sign up forms for, you can paste these on the internet. Your reports are very detailed to clicks, how much money you made, and list options. Has custom fields, list animations, and other goodies as well. It integrates easily with any landing page builder on the planet. aweber is you can integrate to. I use lead pages for my landing pages, and one of the downfalls of Lane that it didn't integrate with it, or it did, but it was really difficult doing it. With aweber, lead pages, it's easy. It's a simple setup, and it's good to go. So aweber not only is a good email service, it integrates with anything you have in the world. Okay, so that's the good thing about it. So do I suggest aweber to people? Yes, I have it. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but it's a decent amount. I love aweber. I don't want to change it. You will need a landing page builder to go with aweber. So lead page is a good one. A whole lot of lead page builders off your blog will be a good one to integrate with aweber very easily. and the cost is not that much. I mean, to run a business, I think it's $500. 500 people. It's like $20 a month. It's really cheap. Then go up to $30 a month. But this will help you keep. This is how I say it. To me, is just traffic on demand with a email list. I can email my list, my YouTube videos, my blog posts. I can promote products and services to them. You gotta pay some money for that, and it's $30 a month or $20 a month. But look what I'm getting in return. I'm getting on-demand traffic to what I'm trying to promote, and the people sell solo ads from their list for money. So it not only can promote product and services to them, but they also make money with other people buying solos from them. So it's like a multi-dimensional thing. But this is aweber. These are all you get inside. The blog forecast is really, really good. The legacy follow-up is really good. If they click on one of the emails, you can put them into another autoresponder or another sequence of emails altogether. Here's your subscribers, reports. It has everything here that you need, and making the email is a breeze. It loads fast. It's pretty good. So again, thanks for watching my review of aweber. I love it to death. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please visit my blog, thexking.com. And please, if you're interested in aweber, it's 30 days. Try it for free. Okay, if you try aweber, you get the whole functionality. You get the whole. You don't get a trial and you get like limited use. You get the whole system itself for 30 days. And after that, it's only $20 a month. So it's really cheap. With my link, I am affiliated with aweber. If you click on my link, you get 30 days for free. Try it out yourself. I said you have a list, you can import it through here. Import history. You can import your old list to aweber. It's 30 day hands free refund if you don't like it. So this time off xking.com. Thanks for watching.